What if I tell you that this excellent timepiece is a result of over a century of watchmaking excellence? From crafting Japan's first wristwatch to redefining quartz technology, Seiko has done it all. And today, we are taking a closer look at a modern classic watch, the Seiko SWR-052, also known as the Seiko Tank. Hello and welcome back to our channel, Wristworthy. This watch is inspired by classic dress watches with a design that never go out of style. But is it just about looks, or does it have the muscle power to back it up? Let's find out. Before we get started, if you love watches as much as we do, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more wristworthy content. I purchased the watch from Desert Cart and paid 15,000 Indian rupees, which is about 175 US dollars, which makes it a good budget-friendly option. The first thing you'll notice, the classic rectangular case and the beautiful gold tone accents. It has this timeless charm, something you would expect from a watch 3 times the price. Before we get into the details, let's talk about Seiko's incredible legacy. Seiko was founded in 1881 by Kintaro Hattori in Tokyo, Japan. It started as a small watch and jewelry shop, later evolved into one of the most innovative watch brands in the world. In 1913, Seiko produced Japan's first wristwatch, the Grail. In 1969, they launched Seiko Astron, the world's first quartz watch, which revolutionized the watch industry. And fun fact, did you know Seiko made the first automatic chronograph to go into the space? In 1973, astronaut William Pogue wore a Seiko 6139 during the Skylab 4 mission, beating Omega's moonwatch in automatic chronograph space history. That's the level of history behind Seiko. Now let's quickly check the dimensions and specifications of the Seiko Tank. The case is 28.5 mm wide and 40 mm long. Thickness is 6 mm and carries super slim profile. Lug width is 23 mm. The case back has brushed finish with Seiko branding and the watch has 30 meters water resistance. The watch uses 4 and 30 quartz movement. For a dress watch, the dimensions are pretty balanced. The gold tone case with polished sides gives it a premium look. The watch uses hard Lex glass and the cabochon stone on the crown is perfectly sized to maintain that elegant dress watch look. Now let's talk about the dial. This is where the magic happens. The white dial gives it a premium look. The Roman numerals are printed on the dial and adds a vintage charm to it. And the thin black minute track enhances legibility. The black leaf style hands are absolutely stunning. They pop against the dial. This is what makes a simple design feels special. This watch reminds me of Raymond Toccata. At the heart of the watch is the Seiko Caliber 4 and 30, a high accuracy quartz movement. Now some people may frown upon quartz movement, but here's a fun fact. Seiko invented the world's first quartz wristwatch in 1969. The Seiko Astron was launched and it changed the watch industry forever. What makes Seiko quartz movement special? They are built in-house, unlike most brands that source their quartz movement. Seiko develops its own. The battery life on this one is around 3 years. They are incredibly accurate, losing or gaining a few seconds per month. Speaking of seconds, the watch comes with two-hand design. There is no second hand. While this isn't a mechanical watch, it carries Seiko's legendary quartz DNA. The watch comes with a black leather strap, which complements its dressy aesthetic. It has gold tone pin buckle with Seiko logo. Now it's time to try this on and find out if it is wrist-worthy or not. Because no matter how good a watch looks, if it is not comfortable, it's not worth wearing. So this is how it goes on my 7-inch wrist. The first thing you will notice when you put on the Seiko Tank is how lightweight it is. The watch is slim enough to slide under cuff, but not too small to feel outdated. Some people might think 28.5 mm width is small, but that's the beauty of tank style watches. They wear larger than their dimensions suggest. If you want an upgrade, a nice crocodile pattern strap or even a brown leather strap would elevate the look of the watch. The watch is perfect for long hours and goes pretty well with casual and formals. So this is how it goes when compared with Raymond Toccata. And this is how it goes when compared with Bulova Tank. If gold tone isn't your style, Seiko offers silver variant, the Seiko SWR-053. so you can pick the one that best matches your style. The watch is very good as it is. However, the use of sapphire crystal and sub-second hand could have made this watch much more desirable. In conclusion, this is one of those watches you put on and it just feels right. It's an affordable dress watch with a heritage-backed design, making it a great addition to any collection. If you are into vintage-inspired watches, this Seiko Tank is joy to wear. What do you think of Seiko Tank? And would you add this to your collection? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching the video till the end. And remember, every great collection starts with a watch that's truly wrist-worthy. If this video has helped you to decide on Seiko Tank, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more wrist-worthy content. So that's it for now. I'll see you in the next one. Until next time, keep it classy and stay wrist-worthy.